This is Group O'Keefe's EDM 310 Project-Based Learning Smartboard lesson. So it's the end of the year, so for our end of the year reading project, we're going to talk about all the books we've read and make our own book covers. So, first we're going to talk about different kinds of book covers and what they have in common. So if you look, you can tell that most of them have colorful, interesting pictures. Got a bear, a grandma, a bird, and the thing about that is you want to have a picture on there that's colorful and exciting and fun to look at, but you don't want to give away the whole story. So another thing that you'll see they all have is a title, Where the Wild Things Are, You Can't Scare a Princess, and also you want to make sure you include the author's name as well as the illustrator's name. So in this one, it's the same person, but on some books you might have a couple of different names. So now I'm going to hand it over to Miss Hadley, and she's going to talk about the book cover creator tool.
Okay, for the book cover creator tool, for the book cover creator tool, you're going to go to this website and then you're going to click on front and back cover. You'll click color ink printer, then you'll choose a template, and then you'll put your title in. And then you can go ahead and draw on it here if you want. There we go, and here's the colors. You can draw on it, or you can print it out with just the title and draw on it with the crowns or whatever. And then for your back cover, you'll click right here. You'll choose another template, put your title in, or your author or whatever, and then you'll draw a picture or whatever you want to draw. And that's it for the book cover.
So now that you've completed your book cover, we're going to talk about the components that you want to check for to make sure you have. You want to make sure you have your book title, your authors of your book, your illustrators of the book, which we discussed are the people who draw the pictures, and your picture or illustration, and any awards the book might have won. What we're looking for is your front cover should be creative and vividly depict your story, and for the back cover that it tells a great deal about the story. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you showed the effort to prove that your book cover really depicts the story and that it meets the required components that we discussed on this rubric and on your components on the page that we just discussed right here. Alright class, any questions?